Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn about converting array to list and back. Means again that list converting to array. Okay, so let's start. Already here I do have one class with name array to list. Okay, so first of all let's create one string array here. The name of this string array I am taking as ARR. Okay, so let's add the elements in that string array. I am adding elements. I am adding elements as 8, 45 and 91. 8, 45 and 91. Okay. So friends, let's continue. Now friends, let's create array list and add the elements from this array to that array list. Okay. List string list equal to new array list diamond operator constructor. Okay, add all. We are adding array element to array list to list. Okay, as list. Name of the array is ARR. Semicolon. Correct the string. Okay. Now friends, let's write the code to print the original list. Original list plus list. Okay. So this code line will print the original list. Now add the elements to this list to list dot add. I am adding 9. Then I am adding 10. And I am going to remove one element which is 45. So list dot remove, pass the element 45. Okay. Now friends, now do write the code to print the updated list. We have to write the code to get these added elements to that updated list. Okay. So sys out control is updated list right here. Updated list plus list. Okay. Now we are converting this list back to an array. So string array name is str equal to list dot to array. New string list dot size. Okay friends. Now friends, let's print the resulting updated array. Let's write. So let's do write code for that. Array plus the method which converts arrays to string, arrays dot to string st current the string. So friends, let's run our code. So friends, now you can see that we do have an output. Our first of all, our first original list, which is 845 and 91. Updated list is 891 19, and here updated array 891 910. We have converted this list to array. Okay friends, so let's revise again what we have done in this code. In the main method we start with an array called ARR containing 3 strings elements, okay, 845 and 91. To convert this array to a list, we create an empty array list called list, okay. Then we use list.add arrays.add list ARR, okay, to add the elements from the array to the list, which effectively converts the array into list. This will print the original list to show the contents. Okay friends. We then add two more elements 9 and 10 to the list using the add method, and element 45 is removed from the list using the remove method. Okay. Then updated list is printed to reflect the changes made. So this is our updated list. Okay. And finally we convert the list back to an array using the toArray method. The resulting array str is printed to the console. This is our resulting array. So friends, this code provides a practical example of working with collections in Java, showcasing the conversion between arrays and lists along with various list operations. Okay friends, I hope you understand converting array to list and back to array. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel CodeGP. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding, happy coding. Please help to grow my channel. Thank you once again.